This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Jeromiah Lizama. Back on the market. And only because the previous contracts fell through at funding after very good appraisals. This not surprisingly popular home has such a unique split-level floor plan and recent floor-to-ceiling renovations with 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and plenty of space for the entire family and all of at least some of your Facebook friends. There's beautiful new flooring, fresh paint, and an eat-in kitchen that opens up to the large living room and cozy fireplace. The yard is one of the largest in the area and there's no through traffic. You'll have quick access to schools, shopping, restaurants, and Fort Hood. Call or text someone for your private tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeromiah Lizama at 254-289-4556.